Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Focus AC filter. This is an easy guide to help you improve your car's air quality. First, gather your tools. You will need a new cabin air filter, a screwdriver, and possibly a small trim removal tool. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in. Preparing properly makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Next, you will need to access the filter housing, which is typically behind the glove compartment. Open your glove box all the way. You might need to unclip or unscrew a few retaining pins or dampers on the sides to allow it to swing down further. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular cover, which is the filter housing. Now it is time to remove the old filter. Unclip or slide open the cover of the filter housing. Carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the arrows on the side of the old filter. These indicate the direction of airflow. Your new filter will also have these arrows. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the same direction as the old one. Finally, reassemble everything. Carefully push the filter housing cover back into place until it clicks securely. Then, lift and reattach your glove compartment, securing any clips or screws you removed earlier. Turn on your car's AC to ensure everything is working correctly and you feel improved airflow. Replacing this filter every 12,000 miles or once a year significantly enhances your cabin air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.